Good morning, everyone. Myself, Mrs. Savita Gaikwad, Associate Professor, Department of Botany, Anantrao Thupte College, Bhur, District Pune, presenting a paper on rice field weeds as a source of seasonal vegetable from Bhor and Velle region. Bhor and Velle region are hilly regions and major crop is rice and other hill millets. Different local strains are cultivated in the region and major problem is pre-harvest weeds which are affected yield of rice crop. During the weed survey, more than 15 weeds consumed by local people as vegetable on seasonal basis which are nutritious. Paddy growing environment are varying drastically within countries. Therefore, scientists and specialists from different disciplines and parts of the rice growing world formed an international committee to determine terminology for rice growing ecosystem. Kush 1984 described the outcome where the world rice land environments are classified into 5 major categories based on water regime, drainage, temperature, soil type, and topography. The present paper deals with weeds from rice field and impact on yield of rice and other aspects has been carried out in 10 sites from Bhor and Velle talukas of Pune district. 5 locations were selected for experiments, namely Karanje, Kivat, Nikudghar, Karnawad, and Salekar Vasti from Bhor, and similarly in Velle Taluka, Gunjavni, Ambavne, Pabe, Vandre, and Dapode were selected as representative villages. During the documentation process, it is observed that weeds are a source of medicine. In the present study, more than 15 weed species are used as vegetables, wild food plants or monsoon leafy plants, documented by Vartak and Kulkarni 1987, Kulkarni, Akte and Kumbhozkar 2003, identify leafy vegetables from Mahadev Koli tribe from western Maharashtra and analyze their nutritional potential. Tribal people or local people residing in the remote region are custodian of our paddy germplasm as well as traditional agriculture practices and crops adapted in adverse climatic conditions. Kulkarni, Kumbhozkar and Khedkar 1988, Kulkarni and Kumbhozkar 2003, Patil, Kamble and Kulkarni 2009. Wild plant growing in the different regions have diversity in fruit, medicinal plants, vegetables, tubers, etc., which are making major role in modern agriculture productivity due to increasing hybrid in present agriculture practices. This indicates that weeds in rice field have great variation in the vegetable source. It is necessary to document and used by local people for nutritional point of view. Present paper deals with 15 weeds used as vegetable. Plant observed in rice field as a source of vegetables. First plant Amaranthus crutenus, family Amaranthacea, common name Rajgira, habit herb, plant part use leaves. Second plant Amaranthus roxburgens, family Amaranthacea, common name Tandulja, habit herbs, plant part use leaves. Third plant Amaranthus spinosus, family Amaranthacea, common name Catemat, habit herb, plant part use leaves. Fourth plant Amaranthus tricolor, family Amaranthacea, common name Lalmat, habit herbs, plant part use leaves. Next plant Amaranthus viridis, family Amaranthacea, common name Mart, habit herb, plant part use leaves. Next one Cassia abistifolia, family Cisalpinaceae, common name Takda, habit herb, plant part use leaves. Next plant Celosia argentia, family Amaranthacea, common name Kurdu, habit herb, plant part use leaves. Next plant Leucaena procumbens, family Astraceae, common name Patrip, habit herb, plant part use leaves. Next one Portulaca oularica, family Portulacaceae, common name Gold, habit herb, plant part use leaves. Next one Portulaca quadrifolia, family Portulacaceae, common name Chigal, habit herb, plant part use leaves. So these are the 10 plants So conclusion, above mentioned plants are used by local people of Bhor and Velle as a source of vegetable on seasonal basis which have more nutritional value. I am grateful to Dr. D.K. Kulkarni, Dr. A. Upadhyay and Principal Anantrao Thopte College Bhor, District Pune and Head of the Department AT College Bhor, Dr. P.B. Kamble. Thank you very much.